Today, I am excited to share with you some notebooks I have designed and are available for purchase on Amazon. This composition notebook is 100 pages of dot grid paper. This notebook has a beautiful spring, garden theme cover and has 100 pages of wide-ruled paper. This was my favorite notebook to make. This is the prayer journal design. It has 8 sections to journal your daily and weekly prayers. The sections are adoration, confession, thanksgiving, supplication, daily prayer, scripture, prayer prompts, and a blank section to make your own. This composition notebook is 100 pages of dot grid paper. These next few notebooks are orchard picnic themed. I thought it was a fun summer look. Here is another 100-page, wide-ruled composition notebook. And here is another prayer journal in the orchard picnic theme. This notebook is perfect for planning and recording your pre-lived projects. It has the pre-lived projects logo and motto on the covers and contains 100 pages of dot grid paper. My daughter was the inspiration for this fun summer notebook. It has places to record summer bucket lists, daily plans, reading record, month calendar, habit tracker, chore tracker, and more. If you would be interested in a fall or winter themed journal, let me know in the comments below. I love designing this set of scrapbook paper. It is in the orchard picnic theme. 8 designs are printed double-sided on nice quality paper. Keep an eye out for new designs in October. If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.